Alrighty, I'm Eric, and today is Tuesday, and I'm about to get on 66, so hold on. Okay, you're back.
Why are you going to the hospital tomorrow anyway?
My dad wants me to.
Your dad does?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll go. I don't know. Maybe not.
You should.
Nate will be like, why are you here? 'Cause today I went there for an hour.
Today was actually a fun day. I did not expect for it to be as fun as it was. That's my cat. That's not a computer screen. That is a windshield to the front of my spaceship, and right now we are zooming through space. And that glare is the sun. Okay, so I tried to turn around in my chair. Oh, it worked that time. And I hit the drawer, because I left it open, because I'm awesome. Who needs drawers anyway? Seriously? Does anyone ever, like, close their drawers? You know, what's the point? If you close it, you just have to open it again. The only time I close it is to reach in the bottom one to get something else out. And then I open the top one again, just to piss my mom off. So yeah, that's all really I have to say. Maureen, I am looking forward to your video.
Do you smell something burning?
It's my laptop saying I need to get it off the bed because it can't breathe. It's overheating. Joyful. Anyway, yes, my computer talks. It's cat. I don't know. Well, I do know why, but I really don't want to remember why. Anyway, Maureen, I will look forward to your video tomorrow. And that's all I have really to say.